Hey everyone, having trouble with your PlayStation Portal stuck on the PS logo after an update? You're not alone. This issue often pops up after a failed or corrupted firmware update, particularly after version 1.3.1 in March 2025. The good news is, it's usually fixable. The core problem is that the portal's software, called firmware, gets messed up during the update, preventing it from starting correctly. This isn't a hardware problem. It's a software glitch, which means we can often fix it ourselves without needing to send it in for repair. Remember, this issue is most likely happening if your portal was manufactured before 2024, when they halted the production of the portal. It's important to keep a stable network connection during updates to prevent this issue. Let's dive into how to get your portal working again. All right, let's get to fixing it. First, try safe mode. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. This should boot the portal into a special mode where you can select options like Reset PS5, which applies to the portal, or Update System Software. Try Rebuild Database first, as this is the least destructive option. If that doesn't work, you might need to reinstall the firmware using a USB drive. Download the recovery file from the official PlayStation support website, playstation.com/support. Make sure to format your USB drive as FAT32 and create a folder named PS5, and inside that, another folder named Update. Place the downloaded file in that Update folder. Then plug the USB into your portal and follow the on-screen instructions in safe mode to update. Connecting to the internet via a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi can minimize interference for the update to be successful. Key takeaway: always use official files and follow the instructions carefully to avoid further issues. If all else fails, contact Sony support, especially if your portal is still under warranty.